If you are just starting your new e-commerce website, then this video is perfect for you. In this video, I will exactly talk about the 7 marketing tips that you can use into your e-commerce business. Let's get started. Hi everyone, my name is Rohan Mitra and in this channel I discuss about marketing tips, tricks and strategies. So if you are new here, consider subscribe and also hit the bell icon. So whenever I upload any new video, then you will get notified. So tip number 1, use any cart-based framework like Shopify, Woocommerce or BigCommerce. These are the very well-known cart-based framework that already have all the functionalities built. You can definitely create your own custom framework, custom checkout page and each and everything. But this requires a lot of functionality from product page, all the product filters to checkout page validation and also payment gateway functionalities. So that means this requires a lot of coding. So you might have to invest a lot of money or to hire any developer and also invest a lot of time to build one e-commerce website. So the best option, just pick up any kind of cart-based framework that already has this cart functionality and each and every functionality done. You can either choose Shopify, this also perfect. You can use Woocommerce also. So just pick up any of this cart-based framework and then start building your new e-commerce website. That will also help you to save more time and also money. Tip number 2, optimize your product page for SEO. That includes updating your design, your title, your description, your product images, the reviews, each and everything, and also along with all of this, the page speed, that also matters. This will help you in listing your website or product page on the Google first ranking pages, and also this will help you when you are running your ad campaigns because page speed will matter then. Tip number 3, focus on organic social media marketing. That means focus on Facebook marketing, focus on Instagram marketing, each and every social media marketing. And if this is your e-commerce business, then definitely Facebook and Instagram will help you a lot. Social media are itself a huge, there's a lot of potential to send you a huge number of traffic, so you should have to focus on your social media marketing. You can post valuable content for your customer, you can post your product images, customer reviews, each and everything, and also you can engage with your customers so that you can gradually build lot more followers, and from there you can gradually send traffic to your website to get more sales. So make sure you are focusing on the organic social media marketing and creating your own brand awareness and creating your own followers. Tip number 4, run paid ads. This is also very important if you need to grow your e-commerce business. You need to run Google Shopping ads, you need to run Facebook and Instagram ads to grow your brand awareness, to gain more purchase, to gain more sales, each and everything. So make sure you are at least focused on Google Shopping ads and also Facebook and Instagram ads. On the Facebook and Instagram ads, you can focus on feed ads, also the reel ads, story ads, each and everything. Facebook and Instagram ads will help you a lot, and also the Google Shopping ads also will help you to gain more traffic and also gain more sales. So once you are running your paid ads on Google Shopping or Facebook and Instagram, then you should also consider running retargeting ads campaign. So tip number 5, run dynamic retargeting ads across all the media channels. So that being said, run your retargeting ads on Facebook, Instagram, display ads, each and everywhere. Even if you have that budget, then go for the YouTube ads also, because you have to target your customer who have already visited your product page or any website or maybe on your cart page and each and every part. So you have to focus on that retargeting. That will also help you to gain more sales. So you have to focus on ads along with your retargeting ads. Tip number 6, that is very much important, that is focused on list building and email marketing. This is a huge important whenever someone just entering their name for any freebies, or whenever somebody purchases any particular product from you, then you will have their name and email ID. Then collect that email ID as your list. You can use any kind of list building platform, you can use GetResponse or anything. I have already created 2 or 3 videos regarding this email marketing. I will link it up here, the full playlist, you can check this out. So make sure you are focusing on email marketing and list building, because that will save you in future in your business. So once you are done with all of these tips, then the very important part is the customer retention. So that means you have to focus on that customer support also. So tip number 7, focus on building a customer support system. Try to use a good CRM to store all your customer data. Focus on hire a sales team or customer support team that will also help you to contact your customers, ask them for reviews, learn about their needs, and also create FAQs pages. That way your customers can easily reach out to those articles and they can self-help themselves. Also, best option, just create any videos that will particularly focus on any particular solution, so they can watch this video and they can understand what is this about. So that way you can build a strong relationship with your customers, and that will also help you to retain your customers. So these are the 7 tips that you can apply into your business, and make sure you are actually applying this, because once you are applying all the tips step by step, this will help you to grow your new e-commerce website in much faster way. So make sure you are doing this, and if you have any query, if you have any particular problem, you can either reach out to me on any of the social media or you can comment below. I will definitely help you. And regarding very particular point like how to create Google Shopping ads or how to create Facebook ads or any particular topic, I will definitely create more video later, so that you can also watch those video and you can create your own Google Shopping ads or Facebook ads or any other ads medium. I will definitely create those video in future, and once those videos are ready, I will definitely link it on the card also and also on the description. So that's it for this video. I hope this is gonna help you a lot. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Also share this video to your business colleague or any friends if you feel this is gonna help them as well. And I'll see you on next video.